Hi guys, Herman Random here at YouTube.com. If you like my channel, like, subscribe, click that bell button for notifications, or click down the bottom right hand corner of your computer screen and just click on my face there and take you right to my channel. So today we're going to do an unboxing of a Artistro WaterColor paint set, premium quality 48 colors here. So we're going to unbox this and then I'll try to explain as much as I can, and my wife will explain some of it also.
And it might be Artistro, not sure. I've heard it pronounced both ways. We got this on Amazon. It had a pretty good discount. The product normally is around $25 or so. We got it half off. So
as you can see, it comes with some watercolor paper here, and it is acid free.
10 paints. Sheets. I mean, not 10 paints. 10 sheets of watercolor. This is their 48 color premium set by Artistro. Watercolor paint set.
It has a very nice case to it.
Now, these are not professional watercolors. They're more for, people at home or maybe people, in school. I don't know. I haven't used them yet.
My back side shows the different colors also.
So this is all the colors. It does have a small set of metallics, and I think there's a few neon colors.
And I'll open this up here in just a second. Yeah, it's neon colors, as she said. I'll put this down here. We're going to do it this way so we can... There's the acid-free sheet paper. Excuse me, this is the swatch.
This is the swatch set, so you can swatch your paints out for each color, so you can paint on the card to show what each color looks like to keep with your kit here. It's a nice little travel. Well, it's for home, but also it's pretty good, I would say, to put in your bag or whatever if you're going away.
It's not originally supposed to come with a bag that you put in, but we did not.
The original, I think the older set did, but this one did not include that. All right.
So then we have this right here.
Here's the sheet that has all the different colors in the palette. If they're mixed up, I'm sorry, but when we got it, because they're loose, so you can switch them around. Each of the paints comes in a little tray, a little pan. I think they're half pans, but not sure. A couple of them were loose, so I had to put them back, and I don't know if I put them back right.
As you can see, it's got the metallic colors down below there also. That they're kind of
there's
extra highlighted, I guess you could say. So
quite a few of them.
Plenty to choose from to do watercoloring. So if you guys like the watercolors, it's also be a great project to do with your kids and stuff. If they enjoy something, like that. If they're at home on the weekends.
All right, so we're going to show you what else it comes with. It comes with a small mixing palette. It's plastic, but to start out, that works, and it fits right into the case. There, I got it.
All right.
And then, sorry I'm going all over the place with this camera. I'm not that good with it.
Of course, if you want to upload your stuff onto, show your projects and stuff, I believe there's and you can scan that QR code on here or whatever, and Artistro art supplies and stuff. Looks like they are on Pinterest and TikTok.
They have a lot of different supplies on Amazon. And this product had, I believe, 4.7 stars out of 5 out of quite a few reviews. So a lot of people do like it. All right, you can show the...
All right.
Now here's the paints and other things it came with.
This is just the protective cover. I'll go over it.
So here, of course, it comes with a metal tin to carry all these. And this is a plastic tray. I'm going to zoom...
Just going to zoom out a little bit so you can see it better.
Maybe I shouldn't get so close. Maybe that's how it is. I'll do this. Okay. So here's all the paints. Sorry, I'm a little wobbly. So the set comes with all the 48 colors. And, like I said, the metal case. And there's a water brush, a paint brush, and it looks like a marker, I think, for drawing. Water-based ink 0.7. Sorry, I'm trying to turn it around. Extra fine tip. I believe it's a marker or pen. So it comes with quite a few things. I have to wipe off, I think, some of the tops of some of the colors, because when they maybe flipped or maybe just during production they got a little bit of some other pigments on them. But I'm going to try them out. Maybe David would like, sorry, Herkimer. I said his name before.
Right,
Herkimer
right.
at random. Herkimer.
It's alright, you guys know my name already.
Anyway, David Herkimer, he's gonna maybe he'll want to paint something too. So we're gonna give this set a go. I didn't buy these as a student kit or anything. I bought these just to use at home. You know, I'm not in school or anything. I'm not taking any tutorials. So, all right. Well, I had his camera on him, so if he wants to.
As you guys can see, this comes in a really nice tin, as I showed you. So.
It is really nice.
And of course, this right here is just a plastic. It does come out, but I'm not going to take it out and mess with it right now.
Oh, and these little, I think I mentioned, these little pans with the colors, you can take these out and arrange them how you want.
Yes.
But I would suggest, if you're going to do that, perhaps, I heard suggested for different kinds of paints like these, you can always like attach a magnet and something in each of the things so it won't fall out. Anyways, all right, well, thank you very much.
Yes, guys, thanks very much. Thank you for watching at Herkimer at Random at youtube.com. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button for notifications, or click down in the bottom right corner of your screen there on my face. I'll take you right to my channel. You guys have a very good day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.
Thanks.